Here inside of Photoshop, there are a few screen modes that can help us out if we wish to review our artwork minus the clutter of the interface. A couple of ways we can access these. Up under the View menu, Screen Mode, there are 3 modes just here. Also from the Tools panel over here on the left, one of these bottommost buttons, if I click and hold, you can see there's those 3 screen mode buttons as well. Also notice the keyboard shortcut is F. So tapping F will cycle through all of these. So let's give that a try. So I'm in my normal viewing mode just here. Pressing the F key once will get me into this mode just here. Pressing it a second time will get me into this lovely full screen mode minus the interface. At this point, I can press the F key again to get out, or I can just press the escape key. So just in summary there, guys, pressing the F key to cycle you through those screen modes, and then you can press the F key again or the escape key just to get out of that full screen mode there like so.